Hey everyone, here is my new snowblower cover case right here. This is really heavy duty, has a reflective edge on it, and it is weather resistant. Just got this in the mail, and as you can see, it fits really nicely over my snowblower there. I got a kind of a heavy duty snowblower, so I needed a heavy duty cover to go over that. The reason I got that is to cover it during during the summer or during the fall when I'm not using it, to keep the cat and the rodents off of there, and just kind of keep nice and ready to go in the winter. So really enjoying this new cover here. As you can see, it fits really well all around my snowblower right here. Has an elastic edge right here, so that's really nice and secure. It also comes with some straps, so you can even make it more secure. This part right here is reflective, so in case you are driving at night with the headlights and you won't back into your snowblower. This is water resistant, weatherproof, really heavy duty material. I like the way it fits all around my snowblower, and I can even bring this down even a little more. Yeah. So during the seasons I'm not using the snowblower, this will be protected by my cat, so it won't get on here or any dust or dirt. And yeah, I really like this fabric. Very heavy duty.